Are you looking to create a Skool community but not sure where to start? In this quick explainer, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up a Skool community and why it might or might not be the right choice for you. By the end, you'll know everything you need to create your own space for learning and collaboration with Skool, and we'll also dive into some alternatives that might better suit your needs. Stick around till the end, because we've got an exclusive offer for you that could make a big difference in your community building journey. First, let's start with Skool itself. This platform allows you to create an online community focused on education, making it a strong option for course creators, coaches, or people looking to build a hub for their audience. The interface is clean and it integrates forums, chat, and courses all in one place, so everything you need to manage your community is in one spot. But there's one thing you should know up front. If you're expecting highly customizable features, Skool's options are somewhat limited. You can set up your community easily, but you won't have as many design choices compared to other platforms. Next thing, let's talk about setting up your Skool community. When you first sign up, you'll be guided through the creation process with prompts that let you customize your group's name, logo, and description. The platform gives you a streamlined way to organize your members and content, so no technical background is required. However, keep in mind that while it's easy to get started, if you're looking for deeper customization or more complex tools like gamification features, Skool might feel a little restrictive. The third thing you'll want to consider is the user engagement options. Skool uses a point system to incentivize participation, meaning members can earn points based on their activity within the community. This is a nice touch for motivating people to stay active, but the point system can feel a bit basic if you're used to more advanced engagement tools that allow for badges or leaderboards. Now, let's talk about the communication tools available. In Skool, you've got a forum, direct messaging, and group chat. The forum works well for discussions, but it can feel a little clunky for people who prefer faster interactions. If your community thrives on quick, real-time communication, the chat feature might be where most of your interaction happens. But again, this isn't as robust as some of the other platforms out there. If you want video chat integration, you'll have to look elsewhere. Next thing, pricing. Skool's pricing model is fairly straightforward, but here's the deal. While the platform offers a free version, you'll need to upgrade to unlock key features like unlimited courses and members. The paid version is affordable compared to some competitors, but depending on what you need, it could feel like you're paying for features you don't fully use. So, what are the alternatives? There are a few competitors out there that may be better suited to different goals. For example, if you need a more customizable design and want more advanced features for your community, platforms like Circle or Mighty Networks might be a better fit. They allow for more customization and integration with other tools, but they come at a higher price point. If you want to focus more on courses, Kajabi could be an option that gives you a broader range of course creation features. But here's the thing, each platform has its strengths and weaknesses. Skool is great for keeping things simple and straightforward, but if you're aiming for something that offers more in-depth customization or community engagement, you might want to explore other options. Before we wrap up, I'll mention that we've secured an exclusive extended free trial for Skool through our link, so if you decide Skool is the right fit for you, you'll get to try it out without the usual commitment. But remember, we've also included some amazing alternatives that might be even better for your needs, and they also offer free trials, so you can try them risk-free. Click the link in the description to grab your free trial and start building your community today, with exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.